Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have a new eyeshadow palette to try from Beauty Bay. This was actually launched I think 2 months ago. It was launched with the blue eyeshadow palette I already used, and it was another green eyeshadow which I think it's called Earth or something. So I'm gonna be reviewing this one, which is called Berries, and it has 16 colors eyeshadow included. Now, the interior, from my point of view, it's absolutely stunning. You have some really lovely shimmers as well. This is just, Beauty Bay always have this stunning appearance, of course. And I'm gonna do some swatches and then I'm gonna play with them on my eyelids, of course. Okay guys, so I did swatch them. So to have an idea how they look like, I think they're absolutely gorgeous swatches. They're really pigmented. So for you to have an idea what I'm talking about, they're really pigmented. So I think I'm gonna start with this shade in here. This is called Loyalty. I'm gonna place this on the outer V. It's gonna look crazy at the beginning. And I really want to play with this color. This really bubblegum type of color, but it's a really bright pink. So this is called Lilo, I think. It's really intense, guys. It's a really intense color. And on this bit, I'm actually blended with this color, which is actually called Bubblegum. And in this middle part, I don't know if I want to use this one or this one. Let's see. They're both beautiful. Maybe a combination of two. Is beautiful. Really pigmented, guys. And I'm gonna go with the shade Cloud, this one in here, so I can combine these two colors. Not bad. In the lower lash line, I'm gonna use the shade, is it Journal? This one in here. And then on this bit, I will use the shade Bubblegum again. So I'm gonna go and do the other eye off camera. I will wipe this off. I'm gonna give it a shape. So I'm gonna use one of these wipes, and I'm gonna finish the rest of my look. So I think I'm gonna just add some gems and something. We'll see. This is a bit too basics. And I will come back with the finished look, of course, in my final thoughts about this eyeshadow palette. Okay guys, so I'm back. So this is the finished look. And I didn't want to add some really dramatic lashes because I want for, you know, I've added some gems and I literally want those to be visible. So the eyelashes I added there just, you know, not dramatic at all. So I like the overall look, to be fair. I think this eyeshadow palette, first of all, is really pigmented. I like how it looks like, and everything goes well just perfectly. It's a really nice I don't know, summery or still spring type of look. I think the palette itself is really beautiful. I mean, every eyeshadow palette I tried from Beauty Bay, to be fair, I wasn't disappointed. As you can see, the pigment is there. It was really easy to play with. I like the shimmers, how they look as well, so it wasn't any issue. The really beautiful colors in here, so if you're into this type of colors, the bold one, I didn't play with this one today, but next time I will play with it. It's a really interesting color. So Beauty Bay, in case you didn't know, guys, they are cruelty free and vegan, so I love it. This look turned out stunning, as you can see. Really nice to blend, really easy to blend. There was no problems with it, so yeah, I like it and I definitely recommend it. Now, thank you very much for watching, guys. As always, I do appreciate whenever you watch one of my videos. If you're curious and you want to see more of my videos, just don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you already haven't, and you will see videos every week with makeup looks I'm creating, with products I'm trying. So as well, let me know in the comments down below if you actually tried the Beauty Bay eyeshadow palettes, or if you tried this one specifically, and if you loved it, if you didn't, if you enjoy playing with it, or if you had a different outcome. Just let me know in the comments down below. I'll see you next time. Until then, take care, guys. Bye.